After a day of exploring Gastown and feeling the pangs of hunger, we found ourselves faced with the decision of where to dine, given the multitude of options. Opting to try the old spaghetti factory, located conveniently in Gastown near the iconic steam clock, we anticipated a memorable experience. The restaurant, situated in a vibrant area, exudes a nostalgic charm that transports visitors to Gastown's Victorian past. Despite a brief wait, my initial impression soured as the host displayed rudeness upon entering. The vintage decor and inclusion of an entire train car contributed to the historical ambiance. The menus, resembling newspapers, added a delightful touch in harmony with the overall theme. Our server, thankfully, proved to be accommodating. However, the anticipation for a satisfying meal dwindled as the dishes arrived. We started with calamari frit, Caesar salad, and chicken wings, all of which fell short of expectations. For the main course, I ordered the chicken parmigiana, only to find it tasteless and disappointing. The spaghetti lacked flavor, and the sauce resembled a generic canned selection. I opted for another main dish, lasagna. Because the chicken parmigiana was tasteless, lacking flavor, and left unfinished, the lasagna, too, left much to be desired, with a notably bland taste. Amidst the culinary letdown, the saving grace came in the form of complimentary bread, proving to be the highlight of our meal. Regrettably, the lackluster food quality led me to rate the overall dining experience a mere 3.5 out of 10. Despite the appealing ambiance and attentive service, the subpar food detracted from what could have been a more enjoyable visit to the old spaghetti factory. Comment below, what was your standout dish and how would you describe your overall experience at this location? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like.